Welcome back, WW Fly Corvair. Today, I'd like to announce the return of the 2850cc piston, rod, and cylinder kit for Corvairs. We'd offered it before, but after a hiatus, we're returning. The 2850 is the largest bore that you can put on a Corvair and still use the stock case spigot. No machining to the case is required at all. It just bolts directly in. The reason why it bolts directly in is the cylinder on a 2850 is a stock Corvair cylinder which has been bored 105 thousandths of an inch over. 105 thousandths of an inch can be done very carefully, and it is done right here in-house on my own Van Norman boring bar by myself. The Corvair cylinder utilizes a standard base gasket and a standard head gasket. It does not require any sealants. Copper base gasket seals right away, easy to bolt together. Goes right on your Corvair case after you've cleaned it and gotten ready to reassemble it. 2850, the centerpiece is the Ross piston, made right here in the United States in California. Ross Marketing Department, give me a call about product placement. The piston itself is a very, very high quality forged unit. The piston is manufactured of an alloy that's very, very appropriate for flying in airplanes. The design is specifically done by us, specifically for aircraft. It is not actually an automotive design piston. It has a pocket here that keeps the compression ratio in golden range for operation on unleaded car fuel, and this quench area right here keeps the combustion chamber very turbulent. Is a really, really good suppression for detonation. Has a ring package designed for aircraft, and when we send it to you, it comes with remanufactured Corvair forged connecting rods with ARP bolts, and it comes with total seal piston rings. The entire setup comes fully assembled. When you open the box, it will come with a painted cylinder with the piston on the connecting rod in the bore with the rings on it properly gapped. You can take it straight out of the box and put it right onto your engine. We've gotten started on these. We've built and flown a number of test samples with the new system and the boring bar. Everything's going very well. I have a large batch of pistons. We're working our way on building up inventory. The official release date is August 15th. You can check out my blog and search 2850 and read a lot of stories about 2850 power plants and the service that they've offered builders. It's a really good combination of enough displacement to make a sizable power increase without requiring machine work to the engine. 2850 is 95% of the displacement of a 3-liter Corvair, but with substantially less work to assemble it. So again, release date, August 15th. They'll be available after that. Pricing information, it's on my products page. Get a look, come see us at Oshkosh, or give a call. Thanks very much. WW, please remember to subscribe. We'll see you on the flight line.